Bicol Production.
This is the mix of DJ
Idol.